To all our freshman students, transferees, returning students, welcome to the University of St. Louis. And welcome to school year 2024-2025. Thank you for choosing USL for your college education. Dear students, as we begin another school year, we are filled with optimism and excitement. We are committed to introducing new and innovative programs to enhance the quality of your academic experience. Our primary goal is to support your academic success, ensuring that you not only achieve your desired degree, but also prepare you for your future profession. Please know that our university is committed to whole-person education, which means we focus on developing not just your intellectual abilities, but also your emotional, social, and spiritual well-being. We aim to equip you with the skills and values needed to thrive in all areas of your life. Remember, dear students, that your active participation is key to your success. Take advantage of every opportunity for your holistic development, both inside and outside the classroom. I then encourage you to engage in all academic and extracurricular activities, seek out new experiences, and strive to grow in all aspects of your life. Here at the University of St. Louis, we are dedicated to nurturing your Christian values and your spiritual growth. We believe that a strong foundation in faith and moral principles is essential for your personal and professional development. Let us work together to build a community grounded in compassion, integrity, and service to others. I would like also to extend my heartfelt welcome to all our faculty members. Your dedication and passion play a crucial role in shaping the minds and futures of our students. May we all have a meaningful school year, and God bless us all.